A COVID-19 patient is facing misdemeanor charges in Richland County, Illinois. Officials say the patient broke quarantine and endangered the public.
The case is just part of a big problem that Richland County has begun to see in a few weeks. News 10 Bureau Chief Gary Bryan tells us what's going on in the land of Lincoln.
On July 20th, Richland County had only 10 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in the county since the pandemic began. Now, just 1 month later, that number has more than quadrupled. Thursday morning, the Richland County State's Attorney announced a woman in her 20s is facing Class A misdemeanor charges. The woman tested positive for COVID-19. The State's Attorney says she broke quarantine and endangered the public.
The person chooses to break isolation and is no longer communicating with our office and being cooperative. We don't know where that person has been, where they're going, what they're doing, and that's a concern for the community at large and endangers the lives of others.
Wednesday, Richland County recorded its first COVID-19 death. The number of positive cases is up to 48. Richland County public health nurse Micah Drummond attributes this rise to a couple of different factors.
We've had community spread, we've had cases related to travel, and we've also had an outbreak in a residential care community.
Early in the pandemic, the Newton Care Center in Jasper County suffered an outbreak of its own. Drummond says they are taking lessons learned to deal with their own outbreak.
A lot from what happened in Jasper County, and they have helped us tremendously throughout the last week to make sure that we're following the IDPH and CDC guidelines and that we're keeping others safe.
The health office is working hard to protect the community's vulnerable groups. This means contact tracing.
We're just doing our best to stop this disease and hopefully protect those that are most vulnerable, the older population and those who are immunocompromised. We just want to help save as many people as we can.
In Richland County, Gary Bryan, News 10.